What's up, my eeps and peeps? And yeah, I'm kind of addicted to doing the puppet time videos, cause they're fun. Anyways, on with the video. Doing Bob stuff and waiting for something interesting to happen. Nothing interesting gonna happen? Okay. Well, maybe the interesting stuff is in the kitchen. I'm gonna go over to the kitchen. Hey, I'm back. But you guys didn't expect me. Just making brunch because brunch is fancier than breakfast. Hey, I'm the spooder, and I'm back. There's my interesting thing for this episode. You know what? It's time to go call the exterminator. Okay, let me just grab my mobile phone here. Bloop, 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 bloop. Hello, is this the exterminator? Sorry, exterminator is overseas. Well, shoot. Now we'll have to find something entirely different to do for this episode. Oh, just wait till the spider hears this. He'll be so that smug look on his face that he's not gonna get expelled. Spider. So the exterminator's kind of overseas, and I don't know what to do for this episode. Well, I have a pet pig. His name's Pedro. I brought him. Oh, really? Can I see him? Sure thing. Oh my god! That's a pig! Yeah, no kidding. I said I would bring my pet pig, Pedro. And also, disclaimer, he's not really my pet. I just kind of found him on the street. He's completely untamed. Well, that was something. Yeah, we should probably go get him. Okay. Okay, where is Pedro? Yeah, that's what his name was, right? Pedro? Okay. I don't see him around here. Is he over here? Huh? Help! Huh? Hey, get back here, Pedro. Boing. Where'd he go? Oh, CPR. Oh, I'm alive. Yay, thank you. I'm alive. Woo! Yeah. Come on, bro. Let's go get Pedro. Okay. I think he went this way. Come on. Yeah. I'm gonna get you. I got you, Pedro. There's no escaping this. I gotcha. Don't ever run away like that again, Pedro. Yeah, Pedro. Not cool, buddy. Not cool. Yo, bro, I think we should teach him some manners or some tricks. Yeah, alright, dude. Why not? Come on, we'll go over here. Okay. Pedro, roll over. Okay, how about, why don't we try, what should we do next? Ooh, I know. How about this one? Fetch! Wow, they've been gone a while. I wonder where they went. I didn't know I was that strong. Damn. Hey, Pedro. Did you find Spooder? Yeah, he found me. Don't ever do that again. Well, I wonder what trick's next. Why don't we try handshake? Shake, buddy. Oh my gosh, he actually listened to you. What a surprise. Woo, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, we did it. Now there's only one thing left to do. A Puppetmon battle. Pedro, use shake. Oh no, iPhone is confused. iPhone, use airplane mode. Entering airplane mode. Oh no, Pedro's almost down. Pedro, you speedy boy. iPhone. Oh no, iPhone, use bite. What did you do to Pedro? What are those blue marks on his forehead? Aha, that's iPhone's special Bluetooth bonus. What does that do? It connects them to a Bluetooth network, which pretty much mind controls them. Obey me. Ah! But it only lasts one turn, then it wears off. The markings stay, though. They're cool. Since the trainer is no longer able to battle, Bob wins with his iPhone. Woo! Yeah, we did it, baby! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! I am the winner! Father, what about me? You win as well. Gold star. There you go. There's your gold star. Thank you, Father. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'm back. Pedro, use uncontrollable flying.